Now, finally inside, all set. Good luck to your pick 5 choices. Stand by for the dispatch. Condition base, category number 17, has just begun. Tejeros, past the begin, and on the outside second comes Royal Jewels. In the middle portion now is Tabing Ilog, third last Constantinople, Sabanabul, and Stormy Marks. Inside the 1,000 meter mark, Tejeros leading the field by about 3/4 of Palenka. Running viral now is Tabing Ilog. Royal Jewels is a very close third, then followed up by Stormy Marks, Sabanabul, and Constantinople. Inside the last 600, two runners fighting it out for the lead. Tabing Ilog takes the lead by Palenka. Tejeros shuffle back in second, then comes Stormy Marks, Royal Jewels. And as they pass the last 450, Tabing Ilog this time maintaining 3 lengths lead. Tejeros still in second, and on the outside third, Royal Jewels, Stormy Marks. And down the stretch they come. Tabing Ilog leading by some 2 lengths. Running on the outside second, Royal Jewels, Constantinople is by Drella. And down to the finish, Tabing Ilog, Constantinople, Royal Jewels on the outside, and finally close. Between Constantinople, Royal Jewels, Tabing Ilog, Stormy Marks, Tejeros, and Sabanabul comes in last.